Please log into the system using your fan ID. Your fan consists of up to 8 digits without spaces. If you do not know this, your county FA will provide it for you. If you do not know your password, you can retrieve this, provided the email address against your record is up to date. If this is not the case, your county FA will again be able to assist. My roles are where all roles that have been assigned to you will be displayed and linked, as long as they have an online element. You may therefore see roles other than secretary displayed here. However, please only select the secretary role in order to access the club affiliation process. The club dashboard will confirm the current overview with icon links to club details, officials and teams. From here you will also be able to enter the club affiliation for the forthcoming season. Lower down on this page you will note the finance box, which contains an amount next to CAS outstanding debt. In order for your club to affiliate, this amount must be 0. Any figure greater than 0 indicates that there are outstanding invoices from the 2013-14 season which have exceeded the invoicing period and require payment before affiliation can commence. Please contact your local county FA if this is the case. The first of the affiliation steps allows you to view your club details and confirm that these are correct and valid. Should any details be out of date, you can choose to edit these using the pencil icon provided. The edit facility allows you to search an address by postcode and will populate the remaining fields on your behalf, although you may also complete this manually. Email address, website address, Facebook page and Twitter feed details will create a link through to their specific targets once saved. You must confirm that the club details are correct and valid and that you agree to the FA terms and conditions in order to proceed. Adding a sponsor is optional in the free text field. The FA Kit advertising regulations are linked beneath for reference. Here you also have the ability to save without continuing to allow multiple changes without the risk of losing data previously entered. The club officials stage allows you to view and amend any of the mandatory roles within your club. You can view the details of any role holder by selecting the expansion arrow to the right of the fan ID. All mandatory roles can be replaced with any other individual who already holds a role within your club. Entering a minimum of 3 characters will display all names which contain the sequence entered. Selecting a name will immediately replace the individual. However, this will not be stored until the page is saved and the affiliation process is complete. You will be able to add or amend any ground details within the Team Records section in Step 4. Selecting the expansion arrow to the right of active will display the details for the specific team and allow this to be edited if necessary using the pencil icon provided. It will also display any league and county cup entries that will be submitted for that team. Both adding and editing teams will present a page where a team's content can be entered. The suffix allows you to place a descriptor against a team. For example, a club may have a number of teams within the same age group. The suffix will allow you to differentiate these teams by adding a suffix, for example, reds or blues.
Ground, League and County Cups are all allocated against the team record. All are populated using data already loaded into the whole game system. Simply use the search boxes to select the information that is relevant to your team.
Here, please attach any supporting documents to your affiliation. The system requires you to either attach a file which will be reviewed by your county FA, or to declare you will or wish to purchase items before you can proceed. Step 6 allows you to add any additional purchased products to your affiliation. Quantities can be amended using the plus or minus icons, or for larger changes, you may also type the number required. Product total will automatically update to reflect the quantity.
If you have selected that you wish to purchase public liability insurance in Step 5, failing to select a quantity of one policy per club here will prevent your application being submitted. The system will now calculate and confirm the affiliation content and present this with both a teams and products subtotal. Beneath this, the system will list any County Cup entries for your County FA and, additionally, any County Cup entries parented by any other County FA. Here you can see the final total of club affiliation and cup entries for both parent and non-parent County FA entries. Once you have confirmed that these are correct, you can then choose whether to pay now or pay later against each invoice. If you wish to pay now, each invoice will need to be paid separately. Choosing to pay now will take you through to the secure payment page, whereas pay later will create a link on your club dashboard inviting you to pay at a later date. Selecting to pay a non-parent County Cup entry will direct you to the payment page for the relevant County FA. Once you have submitted your payment, this final stage will clarify your submission and provide confirmation of the successful transfer and the payment amount. Proof of payment can be downloaded beneath the payment result. Once you click to return, the affiliation icon for the coming season will show as pending, marking the end of the online element of the club affiliation process. Your county FA will now validate and approve your application in line with their policies. Once your affiliation has been processed, the icon will display as approved, and you will be able to retrieve your affiliation number in the details section.